on the hill now. I can see roadwork sign, I've got a wagon coming out, so I'm going to stay well back from this car in front. I'm using the gears now, so I'm ready to go. You look just in front of the wagon, you might see a traffic light that's just gone to red. Okay, and we're going to be waiting. We're not too sure what the wagon's going to do either. Okay, we could be here a couple of minutes now. As I look through the trees, you can see there's going to be some traffic. You see the lights of some traffic are going to be coming towards us. Now while those are moving, it's obvious that we're going to stay on red and wait for some of the cars to come through. Within the roadworks, the wagon that we saw go through earlier, he's reversing, stopping the traffic coming down towards us. Okay. I don't know whether you noticed it, but the first one should be a red car that's going to come past us. And if we look through the gap ahead, we can see a break in the traffic. There you go, break in the traffic, lights have changed, fighting point ready, a little bit of acceleration for the hill, and away we go. Now we're going to keep it quite slow going through the roadworks, okay, because anything could happen. People, you know, road workers, they're going to step out. The wagon on the right that caused problems for those coming from the other side earlier. Roadworks are ending, so I'm just going to keep the car quite slow. So I've got back in, and then we're clear of the roadworks and away we go. And you might notice I've got a solid white line on both sides, so it must not cross, not necessarily no overtaking, must not cross at any time, with a caveat of unless you're overtaking and it's safe to do so, something going slower than around 10 to 15 miles per hour, maybe a cyclist, mobility scooter, parked car. Okay, I can see ahead, a white wagon's pulling out, but he's well ahead of me. Okay. Now, if conditions allow, we can get the car back up to 40 miles per hour. Okay, I've got a car in front of me. Okay, he's doing under 30, but you know, he might think that the conditions don't allow doing 30. It is raining, so that should be 4 seconds from his back end. Let's have a little look as it goes past those well out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, he is turning right. And I've now got a clear road, so I'm going to check the mirrors, make sure there's nobody overtaking me, and we can drive away through the gears up to 4th gear, maybe even 5th, if conditions are allowing and it's nice and clear. There you go, we're around about 40 mile an hour mark. Checking the mirrors again. I'm really looking for idiots who might be doing double overtakes, so I'm confident that they've got a bus behind me. He's not going to be the one that overtakes. So looking well ahead, because I'm in a 40, there's a repeater sign and another repeater sign, but I can see more houses coming up, so I might just expect the speed limit to change. So I'm going to be looking for that sign. If you look just before the petrol station, there's the 30 sign. Okay, so I've got my speed back down to 30, and I'm just scanning the people coming out the petrol station. Roads on my left, roads on my right, so I'm just wary, not slowing down for them, I'm just wary of people approaching the junctions. Okay. Parked cars on the right, white van coming towards me. I've got enough road space to leave him a little bit of route. Okay, and again, still double parked cars. It's going to get a little bit tighter, so I'm just going to reduce my speed a little bit, just to allow room for everybody. White car on my left, he's waiting. I've got a jogger coming towards me, he's no problem whatsoever. I've got a hospital, okay, and I've got traffic lights, they're on red, so I'm just going to slow it down well before, give myself a chance to keep moving. Okay, I brought it down to gear 2. Okay, and there we go, lights have changed, I've no requirement to stop. Little glance into the hospital, make sure there's not an ambulance or somebody else coming out, and away we go. And now behind, then a taxi who's doing around 25 mile an hour, slowing. So there you go, there's the reason he slowed. He's going to be doing it. So he's turning left. Okay, got a white car behind me.